Ever wondered why your dog just stares at you like that? Well, it's not as simple as you think. It's not just about love, hunger, or wanting something. Turns out when your dog stares at you, they're actually bonding with you emotionally. Studies show that when dogs look at their owners, it triggers the release of oxytocin, the same feel-good hormone we experience when bonding with someone we love. So that stare, it's a sign of affection and trust. Next time your dog gives you that intense look, remember, it's not just a glance. It's their way of saying, I love you.